This BWP series car is sent for the Germany. It's organization by the surface. 6 meters long and 3 meters wide. Let's check the electric wheel box. This one is radar. When somebody stand here, the camera will show and you will stop here. And the machine will stop here and no longer moving. This one is charge. This one, that's the start, the key, you can open it. This one is the power. You can show how much battery you left. Start here, how to use. Controller, stop, move along by the straightway, move back, south, east, north, west. Move by the straightway, going back, turn like circle one, turn another way by the circle one.